Everyone, welcome back to Live, Love, Learn podcast with me Arya and another episode in our show, Bliss in Little Things. In this episode, we'll have to rewind some time and go to the flashback. So a small request before starting this. I want you guys to just close your eyes throughout this episode, feel the flashback and let me know how you felt after this. Please? Okay? So without any further ado, let's rewind some time and go back to the days when we were in school. The moment you hear the word school, more than classes, exams and marks, a set of friends is what that comes to our mind. What do you say? Remember those school days? When you bunked classes with a set of close friends? When you ate snacks secretly during the classes with your friends? When you literally slept during a class hiding under the desk, asking your friend to wake you up if the teacher comes? With those with whom you might have shared your lunchbox. I'm sure there'll be a dish made by your mom to be your friend's favorite one. When there is any kind of punishment given, be it for homework or most commonly spoken English defaulters, when the defaulters list is being announced in the assembly, suppose your name comes first. You need not worry that you are alone because you can be so sure that your friend's name will also be there on the list. With these friends, you might have dreamt of your career dreams. Like one says, I'll become an astronaut. The other says, scientist. And so many dreams you might have thought of along with them. You'll definitely have some 2 to 4 friends with whom you might have done the above said things in school. And even now when you meet other friends or teachers from school, they'll immediately ask the whereabouts of your other 2 friends. Did it ever happen to you? Hey everyone, are you closing your eyes or not? If not, then please do because it feels so amazing to feel the flashback. If you are closing, then I can imagine a smile on your face after going back to school memories with your dear friends. After school, you might have gone to different colleges, but I believe your friendship is still the same. Now coming to college days, you might have got a different set of crazy friends now. These friends because of whom you might have been asked to get out of the class. Because when the professor is writing something on the board, your friend might have cracked some joke. Right when the professor turns back, he might have kept a straight face but you struggled to control your laugh, but you couldn't. And finally, you will be privileged with this sentence. Get out of the class. How many times did it happen to you? Do let me know. With the same friend, it can happen this way too. When there is an exam the next day and you have no idea on which chapter the exam is all about, suddenly your friend becomes a professor and teaches the complete chapter just 15 minutes before the exam. And ironically, you might score better than your friend sometimes. I believe there'll be definitely a few friends for everyone, like semester-wise, without whom you cannot even imagine passing university exams. Because they study the whole day and night, explain you the gist of each chapter, based on which you prolong till 4 or 5 pages and clear that paper. I think most of the engineering guys could relate to it. Do let me know if you did. If you have ever been in a hostel, then you must be having a crazy set of friends with whom you go to college together. Most of the times you go late. And when asked for a reason, you tell that there is water problem in hostel all the time. You spend late nights talking random stuff, watching movies together, studying together, going to hostel mess and canteen together, and a lot of things. Coming to present, I think there'll be a forever postponed trip planned. Like now in this busy schedule, it might start with, let's go to a world tour. And then it will be like, let's go somewhere within India. Half an hour later, it would be like, plan Goa is on. 1 hour later, okay, let's plan for a trip some other time later. For now, let's try to catch up during the weekend at least. Finally, that weekend also never comes. Forget about the world tour. I'm damn sure that this 1 to 2 hours of conference call with your besties will make your day. Definitely. We might not have spoken or even texted our besties for a long time. They might give you various reasons when you are planning to catch up. But the very moment when they get a hint that you are low, they would immediately turn up at your place no matter how busy they are. If you are not in the same city, they would definitely keep calling you, talk for hours together. They cheer you up and try telling you something or the other until they feel a smile on your face. And the whole week, no matter how busy they are, they would keep texting you just to make sure that you are okay. Friends are the ones who laugh when you laugh. And when you cry, they cry inside. But externally, they pose to be so strong and try boosting you up until they see a smile back on your face. You can now open your eyes and without any further ado, take your phone and call up your friends who made your life beautiful with their presence. Before that, share this episode with those friends who are the reasons for the smile on your face right now, with those friends whom you never want to lose in life. You can share this episode on Spotify and also on Instagram, where you can tag your friends without whom you can never imagine your life. Yours lovingly,